Hi everybody, Carl and Samuel at Escape here. Today we want to talk to you about personalization and something new that we've come out with on our website, really just to help people choose between their fabric, flooring, formica and trim.
That's right.
I guess in their trailers. It's one of probably the most important aspects of choosing your trailer is deciding what you want it to look like on the inside.
Yeah.
You know, especially when it comes to the wood and the flooring and the formica, I would say, because they're very difficult to change afterwards.
Yes.
For you. I mean, the fabric you can switch out the fabric if you want afterwards, and maybe it's a good idea because fabric wears at some point. Can get things spilt on it, and that's, you know, in that way. So what we've done for you. On our website, we have built up a bunch of images, is the best way. So we built up a bunch of images. And if you think about these images, they're kind of in two sections.
Yeah.
Right. The first section is all the standard items that we provide. And I know Samuel's got a big selection of things here for us. So obviously we're sitting today in a 21NE, and we've got the oak. This is an oak 21NE. Actually, I really like this combination in oak. So we've got the oak, we've got the velour chocolate, and then I can never remember what this. It might be the gauze, the faux gauze.
On the formica.
Formica.
Yeah.
Countertop with the, and I'm guessing I'm colorblind, but I'm guessing this is cream.
Yeah.
Trim around it. So that's what this combination is. But then Samuel's also got the chinchilla there, so you can imagine that maybe combined with this might not be too bad.
Yeah, it kind of started with these physical swatches that we had, and we kind of used to just lay them out in the trailers and look at how they may match. So we kind of built that up on the website, and I think you and Harrison did a calculation on how many possibilities you have among just the standard base items that are included in our pricing.
Yeah, it's over 4,000.
Over 4,000. So there's hardly an Escape that looks like the other one.
Yeah, I mean, if you're colorblind, like I am, quite poorly, or quite colorblind, then there's 4,000 options. But if I've got normal vision like you, then maybe you go, there's definitely not 4,000 options, Carl. There might be 1,500, because no one in the right mind will put this color with this color.
That one together,
or only you would put these colors together, Carl. That's just not the way it is. But nonetheless, there's an awful lot of combinations a person can come up. So we thought we'd try and make it a little bit easier for people by creating these. And Jen, our sort of marketing lead, has done a great job in pulling all these together for us into what's called Moodboards.
Yes.
I'd never really heard of Moodboards before.
So it combines basically the options that we have. We didn't put the trim in, but we put the flooring in, the formica, the fabric, and also our interior wood choices. And she may have put maybe a few colors here and there for throw pillows that you might put
splashes of accents for other things.
That's right. So give you an idea how that might look in the final product.
Yeah. So that's the standard, and the standard, of course, is free of charge. You can mix and match whatever you want within your trailer, and we will build it that way for you. That's standard. Over 4,000 choices or combinations that you can make. Then the rest of it, it's not an infinitum, but we can't even count how many other choices there are. After that, then you get into the custom world. And when you get into the custom world, you get the opportunity to mix and match anything that you want, as long as it meets the specifications that we need with respect to thickness of the formica and the flooring and that sort of thing, a roll width on the fabric.
Yeah.
Right. So there's some general specifications, but it's a huge opportunity. Now, so what we did there was we said, okay, let's try and get some more ideas for people. And we did two things. We looked at the current swatches that we have in our standard items, and a whole bunch of other fabrics or floorings or formicas that a person could choose, and kind of mix and match them all together just to get some representative mood board ideas. And then we went one step further. This is where it gets a little more challenging. We have a library of photographs, a gallery of photographs from a lot of our customers for what they chose on the custom side and put in their trailers. Now, data being the way it was when we were a smaller company, or our ability to capture data, we didn't keep any. We didn't keep the data. So we don't know. So you have some really cool combinations, straight up custom combinations from our owners that we built in the past, but we don't know what they are.
Yeah.
So we've put those up there as kind of inspirational ideas, or vision, I think was another word that we were
Yes.
playing around with. So inspirational sort of ideas and vision to kind of give you a sense of, oh, this could be pretty cool. I mean, I saw one that had a black and white checkered floor.
That's right.
Yeah. I loved it. I thought it was awesome.
Yes.
All right? But it's just like something that we generally wouldn't put up there because not everybody would want it, right? But if it suits your taste and you're like, perfect, I want that barbershop style sort of flooring or parquet type flooring or something, then this may be for you. So really, we just put it up as inspiration for you. We don't know what they are.
Yes.
Is that fair to say?
That's right. So if you are seeing one dinette and you loved it, the flooring or the formica, and it's not part of our standard choices, what we have is we have links or contacts to the companies who sell those in general, and then you can print that off or load it to your phone and contact those companies. We'll have those links on the personalization page, and then go and say, this is about what I like, and
what do you have like this?
Like this, that's right.
What do you have like this? So custom is custom, and custom is your choice. And custom, you have to go find the materials on the custom side to then get to us.
Yes.
Or route to us in terms of so we can go get it. So for the fabric, you have to send the fabric to us. Okay, and then we'll make your cushions from there. With the formica and the flooring, you just need to tell us which one it is, and then we will arrange to get it and bring it in and put it in your trailer for you. Okay?
Yeah, so that's on the galleries, or however we name that. And then those swatches that Carl mentioned, where we show maybe pure custom swatches, or maybe they are combined. So perhaps we have the chinchilla in there, but then the customers supply the flooring and the formica. Those will have a PDF on the same page. You can click on that PDF and it will give you the names of those specifics. So in a nutshell, if you see swatches, we have the data. If you see pictures, we don't have the data.
That is entirely true.
Yeah.
Perfect. Wonderful. Well, everybody, I hope this helps you make that very important interior choice for your trailer. Remember, at Escape, we have more choices, more options than any other RV manufacturer. Certainly in North America, and I've looked, and there's nobody else in the world that does it as well as we do, with the exception maybe of an absolutely bespoke coach builder. Right. And that's certainly a more challenging cost-wise sort of proposition for a person, but I'm sure there are people who do it. So we probably are about the best you can get when it comes to having RV personalization in your trailer. Wonderful, everybody. Well, thank you very much, Samuel. Thank you for sort of getting this together and organized for all our customers or potential customers out there. Remember, we're Escape Trailer and we're built for you.